it used to be a kitchen, a living room. So there were kitchen cabinets. So you can see here like these sockets for the kitchen like stuff. And yeah, here was the sink and here oven. And this part here was actually, there was a television, here was the couch, still is. And to heat the room, there's a wooden stove. So basically this gets really hot here, and so you can cook here, and you made a fire here. Pizza oven or bread oven, so you can light the fire here and make a pizza, for example. So the new plan is that well, obviously the kitchen is gone, so the kitchen is in the other place. So I'm going to renovate this room, and the most difficult job is to move that one, this wood burning stove. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to build a smaller one here next to the wall and next to the chimney. So it's like a bit better location. We can have a like dining table here instead of this wood burning oven, and maybe some like small office space here. So I need to do some rewiring, and also probably I can use some of the materials from here to build the new one over there. And of course the room, I don't know if you can see, but it needs a new paint, and these walls here are plastered with lime plaster. So I'm going to cover these walls with another coat of plaster, and then do some painting, because you can see some of the cracks here. So I need to make it smoother, and also there was a door once, so I'm going to cover it with one thin layer. And probably paint the ceiling, and about the floors, we will probably cover the floors with engineered wood. So I began covering all the necessary parts in this room. So the couch, I don't have any place to like store it, and also this small cabinet here, and stuff up there as well. Otherwise it's like no problem, because I'm going to paint all the walls and ceiling and make the floor, so no need to cover the rest. Of course I added some plastic over there, like quite many layers, to avoid the dust getting into other rooms which have been already renovated. And of course I have the radio to keep me company, and to have some music, not too loud of course, but so I'm going to cover this renovation process, and hopefully you find it interesting, maybe. So,